Hello, this is Christian. I just finished my morning trading session, and this morning was not good. The system shows us two entries, and both entries ended in a stop loss. So two trades, two losers this morning, and not that nice, but this happens sometimes. Because this is trading. You will have good days, you will have bad days, but on average we have with the systems more winning trades and more good days than bad days. But no system works well for 100%. Everybody of you knows this, and so I'm not scary about showing a bad morning, let's say. But before we go over the trades I did this morning, from this morning on we traded the June contract, because the rollover is today at 1 o'clock Middle European time. So for those of you who trade today and maybe the US session, you will need to trade the 0611 contract from the FDAX. And so I did this morning. And okay, let's take a look at the trades. We see at the 5-minute chart, sorry, we gapped up. So from yesterday evening to this morning, we gapped up from about 6675 to 6745, this kind of stuff. So pretty big up gap. And so on the 5-minute everything is green. So we're looking on the 1 minute for an entry signal in long direction. And this is the 1 minute chart. You see here the gap up. And then the market comes down a little bit and get a color change to red. And at this point here we start printing green everything. So we have green indicators, we have green trailing stops, we have green bars, and we come over that high here. This was the benchmark for the entry, because on the 5-minute everything was green at the moment. And I jumped in the trade at 6,745 in a long position. The trade runs a couple of points, about 5 points, let's say, in profit. And after this, the market went down and stopped out at 35.5. So was a fast move down. So about around 10 points lose out of each contract means about 30 points lose out of this trade here. Yeah, the market went down fast, and so only chance to do a counter trend trade in this direction. For those of you who will do counter trend trades, as you know, I didn't show them here. You will get an entry at that point here. Around the level from 22, 23, and you were able to get out a couple of points out of this counter trend trade. But yeah, I didn't show it here, so it was no system entry, because on the 5-minute we have till that point no complete color change, and so we didn't enter the trade here in this case. Yeah, on the 5-minute you see we get a color change from green to red. Everything is red at this moment here, and so waiting in this case here for the next entry. And I jumped into the next trade in short direction at that point here. So about 995 in short direction. And get about 9.5 points in profit, so short before the first profit target hits. The market comes up a little bit and then goes down a little bit. Again, in the profit was all contracts, and yeah, then we get a fast move up here, and we're stopped out at that point here. So for another 10 points loser out of each contract means another 30 points out of the trade. Yeah, all in all, 2 trades this morning. Both trades are losers, so 60 points losing out of these 2 trades this morning. And yeah, such things happened, and we don't care about it, and need to go further. We will see a lot of other good trades, maybe this afternoon, but or next week or whatever. And only a short resume for the week. So from Monday to today, we have so much good possibilities for trading. Our system shows us a couple of losers for sure, but more winners than losers. And the whole week, if we look at the whole week, we will get out of the week with good money out of trading here the system in the FDAX. So yeah, this morning was not that good, and yeah, hopefully we get a chance today in the US session to get another entry or 2, and but if not, don't carry about it. We will get next week pretty much opportunities to enter good trades, and I wish you a happy weekend, good trading, and bye bye.